everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Album, and this is 13 Days of Halloween Inspiration. I'm showing you some of my favorite mini albums that I have made for Halloween, and they're all different shapes and sizes and topics. So this one I used a paper that has lots of iridescence on it, and to accompany that I used some dies I had and just die cut with some plain iridescent paper and added it to the cover. Now a lot of times you'll notice my covers are very flat. I want them to be able to fit into a cabinet and not have lots of things poking out. So let me take you inside and show you what I've got. This is a 7x7 mini album, and the pages are 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. But there's lots of room in the front for a photo, and as a matter of fact, if you have 4x6 photos, they will fit on the cover with no problem, and you could even put a scrap piece of plain paper with journaling there. Now, since the pages are they 6 1/4? Yeah. Since the pages are smaller, you know, once you get the paper on the 6x6, you have to be careful on how you put photos. So on this page is a little pocket, and you can put a photo here. These smaller albums are fabulous for Instax size photos. So you could put a photo on both sides of that page. In this paper collection there were no embellishments, so I had to make my own embellishments. I cut the words from this word sheet and just put some stars of different shapes and sizes. And then I cut part of the words out for the little tab. And there is a hidden pocket there. This is great if you have those Halloween parade photos. Again, you could put those 4x4 photos on here, or you could even put 4x6s. So that fits on there nicely. This has a magnet closure, and again, I use some dies to go along with the iridescence on the words. This is great if you want to journal in addition to putting photos on that page. And there is again that hidden photo mat. Loved all this iridescence again. It's on the stars in the background. And that coordinates with this. And there we go again with that photo mat and a photo mat. But if you had the larger photo, I mean, that would still fit on that page with no problem. But if you had a 4x6 photo and you wanted to, you could cut it down, maybe take a 1/2 inch off, and that would fit nicely on the page. But you don't have to do that. Some people are sheepish about cutting down their photos. There is the hidden photo mat. And perfect here for a 4x4 photo, and the same to put one on this page. That would look great. Room here for journaling. And there's a couple of tags in this little pocket, and you can journal on the tags, or if you have teeny little photos, you know, you cut down a 4x6 and there's extra little pieces of people in the background, you can put them on those little tags. There is the hidden pocket page. And here's room again for those 4x6 photos. This is open on the bottom. It's attached on the top, so you can put your photo there and it would fit perfectly. And even if you have a photo of your family members. There we go. So room here for those 4x4 photos. I love that paper. That looks better to me, doesn't it look to you? And there is the hidden photo mat. And total iridescence on this page. But once you put a photo on here, it sort of tones it down a little bit, although it's half the fun. And then this is open again on the bottom, so you could just put your photo there, and you know, depending on where this is, it just makes a nice grouping of photos and embellishments. And then there's the back page, and there we go. And that is the Happy Haunting mini album, and that's what I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching.